Breda University of Applied Sciences is conducting research into game content design. In this case, we are looking into how games depict non-player characters. Generally, games don't invest a lot of effort in the development of such secondary characters by repeating content, making them very robotic and not achieving a real representation of the real world. So we reviewed extensively different human activities and we built a digital scene that showed actions that typically are found in a cityscape. In this virtual city, the NPCs do things like eat, drink, talk on the phone, and interact with each other. The goal is to create a game world that behaves and looks more natural. This work is a result of a fourth-year graduation project of 18 weeks by Aileen Ng, where the main challenge is to compose a set of animations that would create a more representative and lifelike scene. In total of 62 animations were developed, like taking pictures with the phone, gossiping, relaxing on the bench, and waving. These animations, we linked them consistently with each other and timed them appropriately. Thank you for listening, and I would also like to thank Gradle for helping me develop this project. And see you next time.